The Laos China Railway Company Limited launched its first vocational skills competition in the Lao capital Vientiane on Tuesday. The three-day competition, which is held on the occasion of the first anniversary of the opening of the China-Laos Railway, aims to improve the skills of railway employees. The launching ceremony was held in Vientiane Station by the company, a joint venture based in Vientiane responsible for the operation of the railway's Lao section. The competition includes a total of 17 types of work in 5 special categories, namely driving, passenger service, freight, locomotive, and wagon maintenance. A total of 373 staff members, including 221 Lao and 152 Chinese workers, participate in the competition. The railway, which started operation in December 2021, plays an important role in converting Laos from a landlocked country to a land-linked hub.